Hello, friends, to another update on Nasdaq. My last update was a couple of days ago on Thursday, and we were moving into Friday after quite a strong downwards leg. And let me play you a short clip from that update on Thursday and see how it went up. So this is a typical um, Tuesday reversal week, which normally should look like this. So Monday up, the Monday high taken out on Tuesday, and then the price moving down Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And we can reasonably expect a bounce on Friday. Now, do we have scope for that? Obviously, yes, because as you can see here, we have a bunch of imbalances which were untapped. This new week opening gap up here from last week, and also a couple of new day opening gaps or volume imbalances, whatever you want to call them. So I would expect wherever the price will stop, the reversal will try to seek these imbalances. Of course, we do have a fair value gap over here, so we do have scope for a bounce on a Friday. If we are to use a tool to see how we don't have the weekly full weekly candle, but you can use it tomorrow when you have a confirmation that the low of the week has been put in place. You can use this tool, the quarters, and try to see if the price is gonna do something like this. You can look for a target in the 0.25% area fib, or who knows, maybe even upwards in the zero point 0.5 area. Okay, so we saw the price moving on Friday exactly as I predicted. We had quite a strong bounce, very strong green candle on Friday. I was a little bit surprised, but nevertheless, it happened exactly as I predicted, meaning we had a week which looked like that, exactly how ICT is describing a Tuesday reversal week. And if we are to use a quarters tool, we can see that the price has reached not only the 0.25 fib but also the 0.5, and it got a little bit rejected here in the 0.5 area, and it basically stopped here in the area where we have a volume imbalance and a fair value gap on the daily chart, and I marked both of them together, so because this is an area of imbalance, and you can use it like this. So we had let's say a small rejection from the consequent encroachment of this imbalance area. We'll see how the price will react further when we open the market on Monday, actually on Sunday afternoon. For now, I will refrain myself from trying to predict anything, because we are now in an area which make predictions very difficult. So look here. We have relative equal highs over here. We have relative equal lows down below. Okay, and we are basically right in the middle of this consolidation. Okay, we are now sitting exactly at the midpoint. So trying to predict something here, I think it's gambling, and I'm not gonna do that. I will wait for price to give me more information, and then I will return with a more educated update. But what I want to show you further, it's a strong decorrelation. Okay, maybe not that strong, but it's a decorrelation between indices. So this is Nasdaq, okay, where we see that the price has taken out and went well below these lows from December and January. If we take a look at ES, not only that ES made a higher all-time high over here, but didn't go that far as Nasdaq below these December and January lows. Remember, Nasdaq was somewhere around here, okay? Um, and Dow Jones, it's even more decorrelated. It's made a new all-time high on Friday. It stayed above this daily fair value gap since basically the beginning of this year, and it bounced, but without any conviction, neither on the upside or the downside. But eventually, it made a decision to have a strong close of the week, and it made a new ATH. Uh, I think this one is the clearest of these three indices, and probably here you can easily predict that we will move higher, and since we are in price discovery right now, you should be looking at round numbers, okay, 51,000, 52,000, 53,000 as benchmarks of where the price can go. Okay, so guys, I will return with an update on Nasdaq when things are little bit more clear, and the price will give us more information. Up until then, take care. Thank you very much for coming here, and I'll see you in the next one.